First one, remember, to be successful in online jobs, you will need certain devices that can help you work efficiently and effectively. Here are some essential devices that you may need. Number 1. Laptop or desktop computer. A laptop or desktop computer is essential for most online jobs. It allows you to work from anywhere with an internet connection and access all the software and tools you need to do your job. Number 2. High-speed internet connection. A high-speed internet connection is critical for most online jobs. It ensures that you can communicate with clients, access online tools and resources, and work without interruption. Number 3. Headset or microphone. If your job involves online communication with clients or colleagues, you may need a headset or microphone to ensure clear audio quality. Number 4. Webcam. A webcam may be required if your job involves online meetings or video conferences. Number 5. External hard drive or cloud storage. External hard drives or cloud storage services can help you store and back up important files and documents securely. Number 6. Smartphone or tablet. A smartphone or tablet can be useful for staying connected with clients or colleagues when you are away from your computer. Number 7. Additional peripherals. Depending on your job requirements, you may need additional peripherals such as a printer, scanner, or graphics tablet. Overall, having reliable and efficient devices can help you work efficiently and be successful in online jobs. This is 5 high-paying jobs anyone can do online. Number 1. Software developer. With the increasing demand for digital products and services, software development has become one of the most in-demand jobs. As a software developer, you can work remotely and earn a high salary. You will need to have strong technical skills and experience in programming languages such as Python, Java, or Ruby. Number 2. Digital marketer. Digital marketing involves promoting products or services through digital channels such as social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization. If you have a knack for marketing, you can work remotely as a digital marketer and earn a high salary. You will need to have strong communication skills and knowledge of digital marketing tools. Number 3. Online tutor. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can work as an online tutor and earn a high salary. You can teach students from all over the world using online platforms such as Skype or Zoom. You will need to have strong communication skills and a degree or certification in your subject. Number 4. Virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you will provide administrative and technical support to clients remotely. You can earn a high salary as a virtual assistant, and you will need to have strong organizational and communication skills. Number 5. Freelance writer. With the rise of content marketing, freelance writing has become one of the most popular online jobs. You can work remotely as a freelance writer and earn a high salary. You will need to have strong writing skills and knowledge of different writing styles. Don't forget to subscribe for this channel, Rare Culture, for more. If you have any question, put your comment. We will help you to find how you can do this jobs and another opportunity. Thank you.